Hello everyone, welcome back to Wylog 7th grade math. Today we'll be going over lesson 2, so if you move on to number 1. Armagnac spent 3 hours walking from his home to the nearby lake. If the distance from Armagnac's home to the lake is 5.4 miles, what was his average speed? So we just divide total distance over total time, so it'll be 5.4 over 3. 3 goes into 5 one time, so it'll be 24, and 3 goes into 24 exactly 8 times. Move the decimal place up, so the answer will be B, 1.8. Alright, number 2, the distance between two cities is 80 kilometers. What is the best estimate of the distance between the two cities in miles? No, 1 mile equals 1.6 kilometers. So we need to divide 80 by 1.6. And since 1.6 has a decimal, we could move the decimal to the to the right one space to cancel out the decimal. So this will just be 16. And since we did it to one side, we need to do it to the other side. And so this 80 will be 800. So the final numbers will be 16, 800. So it'll be 800 divided by 16. And 16 goes into 800 exactly 5, and 16 goes into 80 exactly 5 times. So the answer will be B, 50. Alright, number 3, Liana weighs 65.6 kilograms. What is the best estimate of Liana's weight in pounds? No, 1 kilogram equals 0.5 pounds. So we need to divide 0.5 by 65.6. Like the other one, since there's a decimal over here, we can't take it out, so we move it one to the right. So it'll just be 5. And 65.6 will turn into 656. And 5 goes into 6 one time. That'll be 15. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Minus 15. Put a 6. 5 goes into 6 one time. Minus 5. And that will equal 1. Add a 0. Bring it down. And 5 goes into 10 exactly 2 times. So the answer will be 131.2. So the answer is D. Alright. Number 4. The City Hall building is 28 meters high. Each floor is 3.5 meters high. How many floors does City Hall have? So we have to divide 28 by 3.5. And 3.5 has one decimal, and in order to take that out, we move it one to the right, so it'll be 35. Same thing to 28, so it'll be 280. And 35 goes into 280. Exactly, I think it's 8, 0, 4. Yeah, exactly 8 times. So the answer will be, oh, my bad. There's no 0. 35 goes into 280 exactly 8 times, so the answer will be C. Alright, number 5. Irene paid $14.20 for 4 kilograms of strawberries. What was the price of 1 kilogram of strawberries? So we divide 14.2 by 4. 4 goes into 1 0 times. 4 goes into 14 3 times. Minus 12 equals 2. Bring the 2 down. Add a decimal. 4 goes into 22 5 times. Minus 20. It'll be 20. Add a 0. Bring it down. And 4 goes into 25 times 2. So it'll be 3.55. So it'll be $3.55. Alright, number 6. The length of a regular walking stick is 3 fifths meters. Which decimal number also represents the length of the walking stick? So we just divide 3 by 5. It will be decimal. 5 doesn't go into 3, so we'll put a 0. However, 5 goes into 30 exactly 6 times, so the answer will be C, 0.6. Alright, number 7, the last question for this part. The weight of a shipment box at the post office is 3/4 kilograms, which decimal number also represents the weight of the box. So 3/4. 4 can't fit into 3, so we need to add a decimal. 4 goes into 30 exactly 7 times, so it'll be 28. It'll be 2, add a 0. 4 goes into 20 exactly 5 times, and the answer will be D, 0.75 kilograms. Moving on to the next section. This is converting fractions into decimals. So, well, 15/30 is 1/2. So this will be 0.5. So always try to simplify your fractions first. Yeah. And 75 and 100 will be simplified to 3/4. And above here, we already did 3/4, and that is 0.75. 3, 125, and 50. So this will be, we could first factor it out. 50 fits into 125 2 times, and it'll be 25 over 50. And this will transfer to 2.5 because 25 is half of 50. 8 goes into 40. Well, we could just see, pretend we flip it around, it'll be 40 divided by 8, and that'll be 5. So in this case, it should be 8/40 should simplify to divided by 8, 1/5, 1/5, and well, this is 0.2. Alright, 6/5, 6 fits into 5 fits into 6 one time, so this will be a simplified version. And well, we already did 1/5, so it'll be 1.2. Alright, number 6, 2/5. Well, we could just change 2/5 to 4/10. And with tenths, we know decimal, so it would just be 0.4. Because this is a tens place, and we just need to add the top part. Alright, 10/100. We simplify to 1/10 to get 0.1. Number 8, 67/100 is just 0.67. And number 9, 123/200. So, well, I forgot how to do this one, so we'll just solve it. 200 goes into 1,230. 200 times 6 times 0.6 minus 1200 will be 30. 200 goes into 300 one time, minus 200 will be 100, add a 0, and 200 goes into 1,000 exactly 5 times, so the answer will be 0.615. Alright, and number 10, 19/20. So we could just change this to 100. So we'll multiply it by 5 to get 100. 20 times 5 is 100. And 19 times 5 will be 95. So this will be 0.95. So yeah, that's it for today. And I hope you guys learned a lot. And see you guys next time. Bye.